Let's see how we can get connected users, and this will be extremely simple. So let's go here. For connected users, again, our partition key will not help us in any way. Go to GSI status. And in this example, we don't have any connected users because all users are disconnected. So let's just practice with disconnected users. You will get the point, and later you can replace this with searching for connected users. So we need to query by index, and for that GSI status, let's search for user disconnected. Points are not relevant at all, and now we get 2 returned items because both users are disconnected. And actually, I can here just write user connected. So write user connected. In this way, you can change the value, click the pencil, write whatever you want, and click save. And yes, now we have user connected. So now we can query for user connected. Great, so let's implement this in Python. So for that, I want to go to the user. And from the game, copy the last method, get open games, because it will be really similar. It is a class method. We want to use the database client query by global secondary index, but now we don't want game open, we want user connected. And everything else will be the same, so we look in this class, the user class, parse all returned items, and return them. So go to the app to test this. Get connected users will be user, now get connected users. Connected users is equal to that, and let's print connected users. Great. Run and yes, we have a list, and here is our first user, and this is the end of the first user, and then we have another user, George. So we have James and we have George. Great, this is the way we can search for all connected users.